Last but not least, the resistance. It's measured in ohms. The resistance is the appliance or the component that drives current and voltage from the voltage source. Examples of the resistance: refrigerator, air conditioner, kettle or boiler, calculator, mobile phones, anything that works with electricity. The factors that affect the resistance are, the first thing is the length. As the length of the conductor increases, what will happen to the resistance? The resistance will increases as well. So as the length increases, the resistance increases. And as the length of the conductor decreases, the resistance will decrease. The second factor is the temperature in conductors. As the temperature of the conductor increases, the resistance will increase. The same as what happened inside a lamp or a filament lamp. Here, a filament lamp like this. This filament lamp. Whenever the temperature inside the filament lamp increases, the resistance will increase as well. And as the temperature decreases, the resistance will decrease. The temperature in a semiconductor, they are having an inversely proportional relation. So as the temperature increases, the resistance will decrease. And we will see right now in the thermistor. The cross-section area, as the cross-section area of the wire increases, what will happen? Here, it has a more cross-section area than this one. So it means that more cross-section area, it means less resistance. Here, less cross-section area, so it means a high resistance. Last, the material. Different material have different resistance. What are the types of the resistors? First of all, a fixed resistor. Fixed resistor, the symbol of the fixed resistor is like this. You will find the fixed resistor. Here is the symbol of a fixed resistor. So it has a fixed value. For example, a 200 ohms. A fixed value that will not change. The variable resistor, the variable resistor has the resistance could vary. So, and here is the symbol of the variable resistor. You could vary the resistance, so you could increase or decrease the resistance. Sometimes you could make the resistance 20 ohms, 30, and then you could go back to 10 ohms. So here you could change the resistance, and so you could change the current. The third item is the diode, or the type of resistor. This allows the current to flow only in one direction. As we talked earlier, sometimes some faults happen inside the circuit, so the current should move from the positive side towards the negative side. But actually, sometimes because of a problem inside the circuit, so if the current moved the other way, the diode will, and here is the symbol of the diode will not allow the current to flow in the other direction. The fourth item, or the fourth type, is the light dependent resistor, or LDR. This is similar to a light sensor. So whenever the light in the light increases, for example, for the street lamps, whenever the light increases, the light intensity increases, it means that now it's morning, so we need to close the lights. So the resistance will decrease, and so the light will turn off. And vice versa as well, when the light decreases, so it means that now we start, we need the lights to turn on, so the resistance will increase, and so the light will turn on. And here is the curve. Please memorize this curve very well. As the light increases, what will happen to the resistance? The resistance will decrease. That's for the first LDR. Then the thermistor. The thermistor here, it's as if it's a temperature sensor used in fire alarm detector. This is a semiconductor. So as you can see, whenever the temperature increases, what will happen to the resistance? The resistance will decrease. And whenever the temperature decreases, the resistance will increase. So when the temperature increases, the resistance will decrease, and so the fire alarm will turn on. Why? Because the temperature increases. It means that there is a fire inside the room or inside the kitchen or inside the place that we have the thermistor in. So that's what will happen inside the thermistor. Then we will talk about the series and parallel connections. As you can see here, this is the type of a series connection. A series connection as if the two resistors are sharing only one part, and the other parts